It was a full day of remembrance and honor for the late Senator Daniel K. Inouye. This morning, the C-17 Globemaster III cargo aircraft was named the Spirit of Daniel Inouye. And then this afternoon, the state-of-the-art facility was dedicated to Hawaii's national hero.
KITV4's Roger Mari has more.
He led his men through an intense attack, endured the loss of his right arm, and fought on. Daniel Inouye was a war hero before he was a senator. Now he will never be forgotten. This fighter squadron operations aircraft maintenance facility now bears his name.
What Senator Inouye was able to bring to the Hawaii Air National Guard is incredible. This building is a perfect example of it. The F-22 sitting behind us is a perfect example of it. He understood what air power in the Pacific meant.
Outside, the unveiling of the sign that will be placed in front of the facility. Inside, a locker room where pilots gear up with some expensive travel gear.
The trousers, the A-tags you're wearing, that's about $6,000 to $7,000 a piece. And you're looking at more on your LPU, which is life reserves. That's additional $1,000 to $3,000 worth.
So we're in the egress training room. It's where the pilots go to find out what to do when they're in trouble.
This simulator is down to the T as far as everything, as far as location. The only thing different is we have no explosives on here.
The Daniel K. Inouye $43 million fighter squadron operations aircraft maintenance facility is the only one of its kind in the nation, designed specifically for Hawaii. Roger Mari, KITV4 News.
The late senator adding these honors to a long list that include 2 Purple Hearts, a Bronze Star Medal, and the Naval Heritage Award.